Okay, so here's the bathroom we finished probably about 2-3 years ago now. 24 by 24 porcelain on the bathroom floor with the same tile going around its base trim there. Nice big vanity mirror, light above. The tile is looking like the day we did it. 2 niches in this one too. 12 by 24 tile, porcelain on the walls, 50% offset, 100% silk on the inside vertical corners and around the tub. Everything's holding up nicely here in this project. Acrylic caulk to the ceiling so that she was able to paint it. Nice and clean lines there. That's it. Still looking good. No crack route, no hollow tiles. Everything is holding up nicely here. There we go.